Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel One to Step, and we're back with another brand new card video. Today's video is on Aqua Card, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Aqua Card account. Alright, so it's basically a UK based website, so you need to know that it's going to be available in UK, but don't worry, even if you're outside UK you can use this card. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your account. But before that, if you guys want to get notified for more card videos like credit card, debit card, gift card videos, then stay tuned to our channel One to Step by subscribing to our channel with notification turned on, because more videos are going to come up, and you can also check our previously uploaded videos on other cards. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into Aqua Card. First step, you want to search for aquacard.co.uk. Once you search for www.aquacard.co.uk, it's going to take you to the official website of Aqua Card. Once you're over here at the top right, you can see login. Click on login, and it's going to take you to the login page of Aqua Card over here. Once you're over here, what you want to do is you can click on continue to login at the top right corner, and it's going to take you to the login page of Aqua Card. Now once you're over here where it says username, you need to enter the username of your account. Alright, so I'm going to enter the username of my account over here. After entering your username, click on next, and on the next step it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. And after entering the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your Aqua Card. Alright, now remember, now if you want this website to remember your username, so the next time you come it's going to be automatically entering your username, so you don't have to remember it. You can tick mark this box when you're signing into your account, and it's going to remember your username. So let's say you forgot the username of your account, you can click on forgot username to recover your username as well. Alright, and if you want to register for Aqua Card, you can go on the register section, fill up their form and register for Aqua Card as well. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can log in into Aqua Card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.